Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fadil Abdullah and my NPM is 182122 107. So today I would like to explain my research proposal with the title is The Reduction of Speaking Anxiety in EFL Learners Through Drama Activity in 8th Grade Student. And the outline of my presentation is background, research question, operational definition, the aim of the research, and then literature review, research method, population and sample, and then time and place, and then research procedures, and data collection and data analysis. So let's begin with background. Why I make this research? As we know that speaking is the most anxiety provoking activity in second language acquisition, and according to Horwitz in 1986, some learners may claim to have a mental block against anxiety when they come to learn to speak a second or foreign language. So it makes students have less confidence, stress and nervous that when they are teaching language, when they learning language, I mean. So drama activities in foreign language classroom provide a great opportunities for the student to activate all language skill in contextualized situation, included speaking ability, and so on. By approach adopted in current study, especially this research explore the process of implementing drama-based project, and according to Dumont in 2007, in drama there is emotion and movement. So both of them which have the power of liberating linguistic abilities. In other words, drama is concerned with the word of let's pretend and ask the learners to project himself imaginatively into another situation outside the classroom. So the previous study on drama and anxiety reduction was conducted with 24 12th grade students at high school in Kozan, Turkey. After 6 weeks of language and drama training, the drama technique significantly lowered the speaking anxiety of EFL learners. Okay, and next is research question. From the background, we can conclude that one research question, that is, does the use of drama activity can affect the speaking anxiety to EFL learners? And my hypothesis is yes, it can. And then operational definition. There is two variable in my research. There is independent variable, which is drama itself and dependent variable. So the word drama is originally derived from the Greek word dran, which means to do or to act. Houghton in 1981 defines drama as any activity which asks the student to portray himself in imaginary situation or to portray another person in imaginary situation. And drama can be applied to any format of situation in language classroom, including including role play, and provides an opportunity for students to express about himself through verbal or non-verbal expression. And then about dependent variable is speaking anxiety. Anxiety is explained as a sort of fear that is manifested by visual sign. Language learners are faced with the problem of anxiety when they happen to speak in front of public or in front of classroom without preparation. And according to Marx in 2011, speaking anxiety is a fear of expressing oneself orally, which can be recognized by the physiological sign. It is most likely that this sign can obstruct and inhibit one's ability to speak, since a person who experiences that kind of anxiety will not be able to focus on the speaking process. So the next is the aim of the research. The aim of this research is to know the effect of drama activities on students speaking anxiety in 8th grade student in Tasikmalaya. And next is the use of the research. For student, the use of the research is that student can have good speaking skill without feel anxiety because drama activities. The research reveals students positive feedback not only on the part of their improved linguistic ability but on their enhanced awareness of the pragmatic aspect of the target language they use. In addition, positive responses such as boosted confidence, enhanced motivation, and learners' autonomy and gains from cooperative learning were also gained. And the second is for the researcher. The use of the research for researcher is that the researcher could find the answer. The hypothesis about the use of drama activities can affect the speaking anxiety or not. The benefit of this research is the teacher can apply the drama activities to be second choice or another choice in ELT classroom. Okay, and then literature review. The word drama itself, as I said before, is originally derived from the Greek word dran, which means to do or to act. Among all of the positive effect of drama in ELT, improvement of speaking has a very special place. Still, as the use of drama technique or drama activities for speaking is relatively recent, and there is limited research on the issue. The effect of drama activities on oral skill development of ELT of EFL learners has not clearly been put forth. It is according to Zere 2008. Drama keeps students active in their learning situation, Students will improve their self-confidence and motivation will increase also. However, their anxiety level, which plays a major role in communicative skill in EFL classroom, will decrease. And then speaking anxiety, foreign language anxiety is major element which affect performance and acquisition of EFL learners. This occur more in output language abilities such as writing and speaking than input abilities. According to Chiu et al. 2010, a high percentage of students reported that it was easy for them to become anxious when they spoke in English. People are often anxious about their ability in foreign language, especially when they are listening and speaking, and which leads to a type of anxiety called communication apprehension. And this form of anxiety is much more common than you think. In the challenge of effective speaking by Rudolf F. Verderber et al. Reports that as many as 76% of experienced public speakers feel afraid and fearful before presenting a speech. And Sheldon Metcalf, author of the author of the author of Building a Speech, confirmed that this is the fear commonplace. So the previous research show that the large portion of anxiety in EFL classroom belongs to speaking, and this is according to Stroud and we to 2006 and Woodrow 2006. And based on previous research, we can conclude that drama can change attitude and belief of students about learning a foreign language as well as speaking in public or in foreign language classroom atmosphere. Next is research method. This research use experimental method because the researcher used two variables consist of control group and experimental group. By choosing random sampling from certain population which can get different treatment on the learning process. Control group can get speaking test only, meanwhile experimental group will get the treatment by using drama activities. In this research, test and observation checklists were used as the instrument to collect data and information. And then the population and sample. The population that used in this research is student at the 8th grade of MTS Asanda Tasikmalaya. The sample used is just two class which has been chosen by random sampling, and they will be divided into experimental group and control group. And then time and place of the research. The researcher conduct time for doing this research at second semester school year 2020 and 2021. And the place is used is still in MTS Asada. And next, research procedure. The procedure that used in this research is consists of four process. First, the researcher will do some random assignment to decide it, the sample and divide it into control group and experimental group. And the second, the researcher give a treatment to the experimental and control group. And third, the control group and experimental group will present their performance in final examination, which is drama activities and normal speaking test. And the last is the data that was scored by the raters and then will be analyzed by the research itself. And then data collection. The instrument that used in this research is test and observation checklist. This instrument I think is appropriate to use in this research because the researcher will get know does the use of drama activities can affect the speaking anxiety of EFL learners or not. And then data analysis that used in the research itself is statistical calculation of t-tests and to find the level of their speaking anxiety. The processing in the step to find the result of the effect using drum activities to speaking anxiety of English foreign language learners. And then there is some references that I choose for my research proposal. Dadson SL, Dumont, Dundar, Guy, and so on. So that's all from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.